Hey everyone, today I present this Emperor ceiling fan. I'm not sure on the brand, but I've been told it's possibly an Evergo, so that's I think what we're going to roll with on this. I'd have to check the motor out to really be sure though. Anyway, this unit was bought sometime in the 80s or maybe the 90s. I don't know when these were made. And what we're going to do now is give you a little demonstration of it. So we'll start off on high speed. And we'll now go to medium. And we will now bring it down to low. You can see that this has pretty good variance between the speeds as you run it through them. So with that, we're now going to turn this off and watch it coast. So with that, we will conclude this video. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing this old Emperor ceiling fan get put through its paces. Thank you for watching, and of course, we will have more to come down the line here, so please be sure to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned. Later.